smart choice to me. Set to go here, Matt Duchene, one of the 12 on the ice for the start, a rookie team all-star, candidate every year for an honor of some kind. Big drive, booted aside. Wrist shot and a save.
When you're screened like that, you just have to hope it hits you.
Terrific glove save. I think it's time we hear from Ray Ferraro.
The game's changed over the last 5 or 7 years, Doc. That puck possession has become even more important than it's ever been. It seems more and more that teams are trying to cycle the puck to eventually wear down a team so a scoring chance will pop out of that puck possession.
Tries to get it on net. That one's to him from his goaltender. Long lead pass to Hoodler. Enormous hit.
There's a phrase in hockey, hit or be hit. That's exactly what happened.
To Hoodler. Little pass that can start some progress ahead. Back in his defensive end to get it. A shot. Puck gotten behind the net by Weidman. The Avs done wonderfully here in setting a defensive tone. That play went offside. Colorado's collected another victory on the faceoff. Grabbed.
That was all positioning right into his glove.
Slid to backlift. Carries it up the side. Lots on that to Glencross. Routine that time to Landeskog. Not a long pass, but effective. He's got it. Shoots one. And that one's just one more save. Score!
Ginla's first move was the right one. He scored from a bad angle off the rebound.
Hiller's left a bit of a sloppy rebound in front of the net. He can't get over to close the... low stick side down.
So he played a while in this period, and finally a goal.
I was hoping, Doc, that we were going to get that first one.
Solid win at center ice. The Flames will start from their own end. Lets it go. Not all saves. Left with the pad. And he holds on.
And by number 6, Eric Johnson. Time of the goal, 10 minutes, 15 seconds.
A little over 8 minutes left to go in the period. Colorado's got the lead, 1-0. Off the faceoff, he ties his man up, and so the puck goes to his team. Moves up the side with it now. Propelled to Mitchell. Wrister! Oh, my. That one was way wide.
I think with him getting bounced around in a slide area, he just got a little discombobulated and missed the net completely.
And he dumps it in. Up the wing to McLeod. A ripper from the point. And he's tripped, and there'll be a penalty. Colorado's got 2 on this one for tripping. And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. Outstanding glove save.
Time to the penalties. 15 minutes, 41 seconds.
Charged up the wing by Landeskog. In on the 2-on-2. Can they get reinforcements here? Using the point. He's got it. On to Landeskog. Gets that pass after he himself had passed. Marched narrowly inside to Landeskog. Gets that pass back again. Colorado's done it. Back at full strength. Takes it behind his own cage. Through the neutral zone. Chip to Stajan.
1 minute left.
Shoots one.
Period.
Fires. Good attempt. Easy save. To Iginla. Big drive. Great stick save. Moves up along the boards. 20 minutes have now been played. Colorado's connected once, and that's the only goal.
3 boxes.
Puck dropped and the clock moving in the second period. Charged up the wing by Hayden. To Glencross. Shoots. Lifted on goal. That's why the goalie's there. To Landeskog. Laid on to Hayda. Parked in the slot, and it's on his stick. Back in front. Hammers one. Save. Oh, what a great chance, but it's off the iron. Puck out in front. Score!
Duchesne's decision was pretty easy this low in the slot. Just snap it off, and he did.
Hiller's probably pretty happy with his positioning here, Edzo, but he's beaten over the glove.
Under 4 minutes have transpired here in the second. The Avs just added some insurance to make this a 2-goal lead.
Scored by number 9.
Ripped along to Stajan.
Duchesne.
Good centering pass to the slot. Not a problem there.
Gabriel.
Finessed to Barry.
Time of the goal.
Routine play.
20 minutes,
Done well.
59
Puck fired down.
seconds.
Decision made. Defenders first. Icing. Quick work on the faceoff. He missed the net.
As the shooter was about to let it go, the puck just went on edge a second. That's
Great glove save. Barry's cutting through the neutral zone. Flings it. Good save there. And that one out of play over the glass. Clock stopped. Quick shot. Routine save. You're not going to beat him from there with that shot. Up the wing with it now. Hatchets one. Paddled aside. Fired away and back down. The Flames shift from defense to offense. And he pitches it back in. That puck careened out of play over the glass. Didn't look like anybody got hurt there. Calgary's prevailed again on the faceoff in the neutral zone. Taken back deep in his own end of the ice by Whiteman. Carried toward the woodwork by Stajan. It's a 3-on-2 as they move in. And a save. Right in front. Terrific challenge. Outstanding save.
seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Oh, save. Geometrically to Stajan. Same side to Hoodler. Neutral zone carry. Fires. Save. Looks ahead to start something. To Landeskog.
Landeskog's looking to add.
He got his glove on that one. Oh, an error on that pass. Good chance here. Held behind his net by Schmid. That covers some acreage to Backlund. Outstanding save by Varlamov. Gathered in by Gabriel Landeskog.
In the second period.
Fires. Great glove grab. Outstanding save. What magic to even get the shot away. Glides across. Many yards gained to Hayda.
And
Opening faceoff of the third period. Good centering pass to the slot. Gives it on a cross from the point. Slid to Landeskog. Turned from one teammate to another. Sliced down to Backlund. Pass ahead through center for Glencross. Mashed in. Puck collected back behind the net by Hayda. And that's an offside. 4 minutes off the clock here in the third. 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. Calgary's got it off the draw at center. Takes a chance on the dump to the opposite corner. Rifled to Schmid. Terrific interception.
Colorado has forced another turnover in this very close game.
Corralled by Schmid. Got his stick on it. Nice pass right up the gut. Lets it go. Can he generate something? Brilliant save by Varlamov.
They don't ask how, he just did.
just wide.
That shot cannot miss net. Give me that chance. I'll take it.
Hammered to Hayda. Ooh, he got in the way of that one. Good defensive play. Possession changes. Takes it on the wing. Got on by with that one. Hoodler's carrying it through center. Great chance here, 2-on-1. Got a piece of it. The gloves are down. They're ready to fight. Give him the win on that punch.
There's nobody in here that wasn't entertained by that fight. Varlamov's been the one key reason that his team's been able to hold on to this lead. He's faced a high percentage of top-quality shots. He's stopped virtually everything.
Sliced through the neutral zone, propelled to Landeskog. Shoots it on.
12 minutes, 24
Slides it to the point to Gennon. Lugged along the line. Puck played in the corner by Duchesne. Save! Through center to Backlund. Hammers one. A magnificent pad save. Carried through the middle. Cranks one. And that one's routine. Angled to Gennon. Held now by Curtis Glencross. Back near the blue line to Stewart. Oh, that one. Oh, terrific save on a great chance.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Dawn, they've got a 2-on-1 here. Great glove save. And he's to the bench. Risky time. Let's see. On to O'Reilly. Pass to the slot. He scores.
There's no doubt who'll win this game tonight after that empty netter.
That's a good feeling on the bench. You've locked it up now with the empty netter.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack.
Scored by number 90, Ryan O'Reilly.
Picked up in the attacking zone. He's got that centering pass. Fantastic shutdown.
11, Jamie McGinn.
He could start some danger here. He's got that pass at the point. Huge stop by Varlamov.
That's a prime scoring area. What a save.
Lets it go. In on goal and easily handled. Can he generate something? Perfect centering pass. Oh, what a glove he's got there. And the siren goes. The Avs have won big in this one.
Much easier to play with the puck as they did all night long.